To be honest, being an entrepreneur was the farthest thing from my mind. I wanted to be a typical engineer, get a great education, get a good engineering background, and pretty much go into industry. I had a passion for automotive, and I've always wanted to work for one of the big three companies. But I've seen that starting your own company and getting into this entrepreneurial process makes a big difference. Everything you do makes a big impact on your company. Every decision you make, every opinion you have is always taken into account, and you see the results immediately. The name of the company is Invisi-Tag, and we're an RFID system integration company. We developed a product that lets us keep track of landscape contractors' tools and assets when they're going to or leaving a job site. This system lets them pretty much get 100% accuracy every single time. It's very efficient, it's very quick, and it will 100% guarantee increasing their productivity. I knew I wanted to be an engineer as a kid, and I've always had a passion for technology. And I thought to myself, what can I learn about in school that I can further apply later in life? And I saw that since everything was moving towards electrical, I thought being an electrical engineer would be the best choice. And that's how I got into electrical engineering. I believe that there's a phenomenal professor in every single one of these in these core classes that you have to take, and I feel that I was really lucky. And every one of my professors that I've taken, from Professor LaFortune to David Winslow to Sandeep Pradhan, all these professors were phenomenal, and that's actually one of the reasons that encouraged me and motivated me to do well in my classes. So I received this internship while I was standing in line at the Empowered Career Fair, and the line was very long, and it took me half an hour just to get an interview with the recruiter, which is my boss now. And I see that, standing in line for half an hour, I was thinking to myself, oh, is it worth it? Should I do it? But I see at the end of the day that I made the right decision, that standing in line and being patient could make all the difference. My RFID experience came from basically working in the labs and actually doing fellowships and internships. But the courses that I've taken here at the university helped me prepare to be a better engineer. It gave me the structure, the foundation, and the fundamentals that I need, that given in any circumstance, I'd be able to solve these problems. And I think that's a very, very important thing to have, because it makes you an overall better engineer, and it makes you a overall better problem solver, and that's what pretty much an engineer is a problem solver. I will highly recommend coming to the University of Michigan. Our College of Engineering is one of the best, if not the best, in the country and around the world. It's one of the best choices I've made in my life, and I could not imagine going anywhere else. I could not imagine being anything else other than an engineer, and I will be a Wolverine for life.